3 children in here, 11, 12, and 15, and we really have 2 guys from the USS Nightmare with chainsaws, and we're gonna go scare the crap out of them. See you in a minute. There we go.
All right.
Lovely. Here with Monica, bright and early in the morning, and she just got scared by that. Imagine waking up to that. That's what Monica just did. Did it scare the...
Yes.
Yes? Did you... I couldn't tell. Were you the one that hid under the covers, or did you run?
I hid under the covers.
I would have done the same.
Who ran?
I don't know. Everyone was moving too quickly. Lots of chainsaws. Awesome. Well, it's the USS Nightmare Chainsaw Wake Up, and this was our latest victim. It's Joey in Kiss 107.